Hello everyone. So welcome to the new video. So in this video we will be talking about the entries that I took today. So I took three entries today, one in the NAS100 and two entries in the USDCad, right? So I'll be explaining how I took these entries and why I took these entries, right? So if you guys haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it and share it to your friends. Please like the video. So let's start the video. So here guys, in NAS100 price was in a bearish trend, right? You can clearly see price was in a bearish trend, and from here this was the last recent high from where price changed the character, right? This was the last recent high. So now price was in a price was in a bullish trend, and today market opened, and you can see today market opened from this, from here, right? So let me, yeah. So this was the Asian session. So market opened, and market made a break of structure from here. This was actually not a break of structure. This is a single leg. So market was making, this was a break of structure, right? And this was the last recent high, like you can say liquidity. And if I move to in the 5 minute zone, you can clearly see this candle. You can clearly see the candle that took the liquidity from this from the red bearish candle, right? You can see. And this was our order block. Why? Because it took the liquidity, right? And this was the inducement last recent high or low, you can say. We took this last recent high and low as inducement, right? And what market, let me remove this so you can will, so you will clearly understand, right? So what market did, market made a break of structure from here. This was the last recent low, sorry, high, and market took the liquidity from here, mitigated this, mitigated our demand zone. And if we move in the 1 minute time frame, you can clearly see market made a change of character from here, right? From here, if you guys can't see, market made a break of structure from change of character from here, and this was the last recent high. This was the inducement, you can take call this as inducement, and this was our order block, right? We took entry from this, and our order block and our stop loss was from here, right? And we targeted 50-minute week high, right? This was the 15-minute week high, and this was our profit target, right? So this is how I took entry, you can clearly see. So this was actually a 1 to 11 risk reward ratio that I have uploaded on my Instagram channel, right? So this is how you can take entries. And if you have any doubt, you can message me on the Instagram and the WhatsApp. I have uploaded my number on my description box and Telegram channel, right? So if we move in the USDCAD, so you can clearly see price was in a bearish trend, right? Price was making higher highs, low lows and low lows, low highs and low lows, right? And from here, market opened from here, right? Market opened from here. What market was doing? Market was moving in a zigzag, right? Like this, like this, like this, like this, right? And now what I did was, let me delete it. Sorry, guys. So what I did was, so this was the last recent high. This was the last recent high. First, I took entry from here because market made a break of structure from here. This was also a valid pullback. This was also a valid pullback. Let me zoom in so you will clearly understand. Market made a break of structure from here. This was also a valid pullback because it took the so now what I did was market took a liquidity from here. You can clearly see market took liquidity from here, right? This was the last recent high, and then I move into the 1 minute time frame. I took entry from here. I took entry. You can clearly see market just swept the liquidity, went to the downside, and what I did was I wait for the 1 minute candle closer, and then 1 minute candle close. I took entry from here, and my target was from here to here. Let me just put down from here. Sorry guys, so this was the long position. So this was I took entry from here. My profit target, my stop loss was from here, right? Yeah. So this was actually a 1 to 8 risk reward ratio, right? So this was my first entry, and then I took the second entry when in the London session. You can clearly see this was the Asia session, and from here London session opened. And when London session opened, what market did was market just tap into our order block, that what our order block, and just swept the liquidity and close below this below this or below our order block, right? And then what I did was I waited for the 50-minute candle closer. Market just swept the liquidity, and you can see I will be explaining in the entry types how you can take entry liquidity sweep entry, right? So my entry was from here when this candle closes, right? So I took entry from here, and my stop loss was from here, and I took the and my profit target was this week low, right? This week low from here to here, and then you can see clearly see this was again a valid entry. Why? Because this was the last recent high, and this was the last recent the last recent low, right? This was the last recent high, and this was the last recent low, and this was the valid pullback. You can see this was the inducement, and this is our order block. Why? Because this is the last high that swept the liquidity, and this is a very powerful entry that I'll be explaining the entry types. So these are the three entries that I took today, and all entries went in a profit. So if you guys have any doubt, please do comment and let me know. And if you want to have if you have any doubt, you can send me message on the Instagram, the WhatsApp. I'll put my number and the my Instagram channel in the description box. So thank you guys. Wait for the next video. Till then, bye bye.